Hello, David here, and the project for today is trying on some new jeans. Usually I get my blue jeans at Costco. My brother-in-law told me to try some Wranglers, so I thought I'd try the black jeans so I could wear them at more formal occasions. So he directed me to the Wrangler website, and while the price is very reasonable on the Wrangler website, you have to buy $100 to get free shipping. Otherwise it's $8 for shipping. So I checked the price on Amazon, and on Amazon it was a couple of dollars cheaper because I have Prime and the shipping's free. This is a size 32 by 32. I've been wearing that size forever as my weight never fluctuates. I'm going to see how these fit. These are made in Mexico and they're 100% cotton. These have a 1-year warranty. So they got some loose thread sticking out here and some loose stitching, but that is just for this name patch. There's a odd colored thread here and here that's holding this label on. Pockets are pretty deep. Got a coin pocket. 2 back pockets. Metal rivets. Button instead of a snap, and it's got a metal zipper. Double seam stitching. Got a heavy duty belt for carrying a holster, and it is 1 3/4 inches wide. Let's see if it fits in the loops. Yes. Fits with room to spare. Will it fit a 2-inch belt? Maybe. Fit pretty well. Perfect on the waist. Not too tight in the ballroom. Length. Length is just right. Room for a holster. That's it. I'm going to give these jeans a thumbs up. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.